that I actually brought from Nigeria. I actually quite like it. But it seems like the front is a bit raisy, but I'm just going to use it that I'll get used to. Anyway, Happy New Year, guys! Happy 2022! Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. Thank you guys for being here. I just wish you all the best in this 2022. Most importantly, I wish you all good health. So basically, today is 2nd of January. I couldn't vlog yesterday because we were at a family's member's house, so he hosted. So I didn't want vlogging or picking my camera to spoil my mood, so I just left my phone in one corner just for me to enjoy the day, if you see what I mean. Anyway, guys, I'm just going for a walk with my family, so I will take you along. Let me just quickly take my coat and let's go. Actually, before we go, I thought I'm just going to quickly show you my outfits that I'm putting on. So sorry, this place is a bit dark, but anyway, so I just have this jumper. Actually, I did layer. I have another like a long sleeve top underneath, so I can't afford to be cold, to be honest with you. Then I put these skinny jeans. This one is from Zara. It's really nice and skinny. So I'm going to put my wellies. I've got my socks. I'm just holding my socks by my hand. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop in my wellies because where we're going is a bit muddy. So I will show you guys while we're there. So this is me. So let's go. So we're here. This is a beautiful place to come for a walk. I didn't realize that the Christmas lights were everywhere, kind of like Christmas light. It's so beautiful. Anyway, so I think it's 11:30. We're just going to quickly go to the cafe to go have some food before other people start going for lunch. So we're going for a quick lunch, and I'm not quite sure about this hair. My husband is not sure about this hair. I'm going to try and straighten it to give it a bit of curve to see, but at the moment it's not playing balls. So yeah, beautiful place. See, so cute. I just love these fairy lights that just run everywhere. It's so beautiful.
They use the same keys as the school.
Tunnel.
Oh wow!
It's like, look at this tunnel. It's so beautiful. Okay, we have not discovered this place here. So basically guys, we just finished our walk. Oh my god, this hair is going crazy. It's raining. This hair is going crazy. It's not playing balls. Anyway, look, like, I know that it's a rainy day, misty and everything, but the view is just incredible. The kids are just playing, so I'm going to put my hood on. So we are going to be going home soon. So the kids are just going to play a bit. There we go. Nice fresh air for today. A view. I don't know, the camera is not picking the very light effect that I'm seeing with my eyes. Just like not doing justice. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get home.
If we can race up, how come we can't race down?
Now let's see what is in this well. Let's see what is in this well. Is it a wishing well?
Mommy, are you allowed to go in now?
I think so.
Can we go in?
There's nothing. There's nothing in the wishing well. Just pebbles. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Today is 4th of January. So kids in the UK, they're back to school. So my kids are going. Seems like my kids has been with us at home for a long time. The lighting here is not too great. Honestly, the weather in the UK has been absolutely rubbish. Okay, it's a bit better. The weather here has been like so gray, honestly speaking. So basically, today I thought I'm still not 100%. I'm still having like fatigue. I get tired so quickly, restless, out of breath, because I'm still recovering from this garden thing. Paul, I thought since the kids are not here today, I'm going to have a self-care day, just like a little mini pamper at home sort of thing. So this is what I'll be doing today. So I just made myself a nice cup of tea. I hope you guys are doing so well. So I'm just going to get into it because, you know, the last time when I was in Nigeria, so I did my pedicure in Nigeria, that guy did it so well. So I don't want it to be too bad before I start like doing it again. So I want to get on top of it. So this is what we'll be doing. So let's get right into it. So basically, I like scraping my feet dry like this because I have my cause here is very dry, so it's very thick. It's not like some people have like really soft feet, but my one is really hard. So I do like filing it dry. You can see a lot of it coming out. So when I soak it, then I do a little bit more, so nothing too, so that I can take as much dead feet out. Running my bath as you saw. I thought I'm just going to quickly put my mixture that I did with you. This is turmeric, honey, and lemon. Oh, this is really cold. I thought I'm just going to put it on while I am. Oh my god. Okay, this is a bad idea, guys, because I don't want this thing to get into the carpet, or I don't want it on my towel either, because there's turmeric. It's stained like hell. So this is really good. I managed to do my feet really okay because, like I told you before, I don't want it to get out of hand at all. So that's quite good. And what else again? Yeah, I'm really quite happy that I'm just taking this time for myself. Hopefully I will be able to do my nail polish too. So I just can't wait to dive into my bath now, just to indulge myself. Oh my goodness. Guys, I used to do a lot of skincare on my channel here. So I actually stopped doing skincare for a while just to kind of focus more on my fashion. But you know, with vlog, I can still be doing things like this. So if you have any question you want to ask me, because like I said before, if you've seen my skincare video before, like, oh no, see, there's one here. So if you want to see like how I take off my dry skin or things like that, do let me know. So I did open another channel for my skincare, but I am not, to be honest with you, I have not been uploaded there. So I'm just like New Year. I'm just putting it on my neck as well, thinking of using that channel for something else. I actually like chatting, really like discussing. Maybe I might be looking for topics that I'll be talking about in that channel. But if you're into this kind of thing, let me know. Skincare, because I'll be integrating a lot of my skincare products into my vlog as well. Like literally, that's why I like vlog, because you can do a lot of things, recipe, birthday celebration, everything basically, as well as still be doing my fashion, because fashion is my thing really. So anyway, let me go jump into my bath. Honestly, I look like a ghost. I don't even know what I look like. Oh my god, this is so weird. I think I'm going to just put this thing here. I'll come back for it. Oh guys, got loads of bubbles. I think I need to switch off the tap. Anyway, this is quite cool. So I'm going to dive into it. By the way guys, let me just quickly show you this candle. I actually picked it up from TK Maxx. This smell of this candle is amazing. I've got a donut that's really naughty. I've got a donut that I'm going to be eating. The smell of this candle is like perfume. Like this room, my bedroom, is absolutely smelly, wonderful. I don't know. Okay guys, this is heaven. I'm not going to even lie to you guys. Well, this is like so good. This is nice. Oh my god, look at the big time off, because Christmas, we've really like had a busy time this festive period. It's just like so nice to be able to do this, as if I am inspired, guys. Just doing this at home is just incredible. So guys, take time, look after yourself, pamper yourself, so that to release the stress is not easy. Anyway, I will just enjoy this. I'll let you guys be, and I will catch you guys later. Guys, I've done what I can do with my pamper routine today. I have not finished, but time was against me. I'm just in this room because I want to pick beans. Can you see? I want to pick this Nigerian beans. Where is it? I actually have it, so I found it. My silly room is a mess. So I was talking to a friend of mine today while I was in the bath. So she actually bought these beans for me when she came once to visit, like peeled beans, because I was looking for beans. I did Moi Moi once, and I have to peel everything. It just took forever. So when she came visiting one day, one of my YouTuber friends, Flora Font, so she bought these beans for me. So and today when she called me, her son was eating beans. You know that thing. I really want to eat beans now, so I'm going to give this Moi Moi a go today. And has some fish. I'll show you guys. I brought her some fish, so I'm just going to make like tomato sauce with this fish, with rice, something like that. So this is what I'm going to quickly eat. But before I actually start, remember I bought donuts the other day, so I'm just going to eat. I'm going to eat one of these donuts. I've got my tea somewhere, so honestly I cannot come and keep myself. Look at my face, is popping, guys. You know that turmeric here, it really brightens the face. Look, it's really popping. Yeah, no makeup, nothing, but the face is looking delicious. I have to do this more often, honestly, maybe once a week or so. This is really good. It's just my face, you know. Gosh, I can't find my scissors. I have to use this kit now. Already spilling. I don't want a lot of moi moi, God knows. Just one tiny thing. I think I should be key. I don't want a lot. So basically, this is it. I'll just put salt and pepper also. As fish. And the moi moi. It looks so good. Nice guy. Let me plunge. My God, my moi moi, my fish stew and rice was absolutely excellent. It was so delicious, guys. It was yummy. But it's a lot of effort though. I'm tired. I'm so full. I just want to sleep now. I need to make a nice cup of tea, some sort of herbal tea, before I sleep. Oh my God, tired.